I have to vlog. Oh yeah. Hi vlog!
There is a map somewhere. It goes like up the middle. I'm like never around anyone ever after work, so. Listen, I was raised by gaslighters. I know how to do out of our reusable bag.
It was like really weird for me. So I go in there every morning. Sarah's drinking today. What do you got?
Hey vlog. Hey vlog. I just had a mental breakdown.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking a blueberry lemonade.
And you got
Pink lemonade.
pink lemonade today.
What'd you get, Sarah?
What'd you get, Sarah? What a cool stool you have. What'd you get to drink?
I got the pink lemonade.
Woo!